What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another lock tutorial. So today's video is going to be completely different. We will not be doing any retwisting or styling in today's tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about Dr. Locs products, and I will be showing you guys my technique on how to reduce frizzy locks. That's going to blow your freaking mind. Not only will I be showing a product review on my daughter's starter locks, but we're going to do a side-by-side comparison because my children are in two different stages of their locks journey, and I think that will be a perfect review to show you guys how well Dr. Locs products works on different stages of locks. So sit back and relax and enjoy the ride. Starting with Dr. Locs G9 Leave-In Conditioner. This coconut oil mixture is excellent for keeping locks soft and well moisturized, and that's something that's very important for me when I am maintaining my children's locks because they both suffer from dry, itchy scalp thanks to their daddy. So I have to make sure that their scalp is well moisturized. Now combine that with the Yaya oil. It is a match made in heaven. Now this oil contains 6 rejuvenating oils which serve as a daily source of hair food for dry, itchy scalp. One of the oils that I love is grapeseed oil, and you guys know that is great for dry, flaky scalp, and also avocado oil that helps penetrate hair strands and really gets that moisture inside the locks. Another great oil is the argan oil, and that helps hydrate and soften skin, so that's going to be perfect for removing scars, stretch marks, sunburn, and acne. So I am loving this. Before we move any further, I have to show you guys this technique. This will help reduce frizz, especially if you're someone who hates frizz. I personally, it doesn't bother me, but I know so many people hate their locks being frizzy. So this technique will help reduce that frizz, guaranteed. So all you have to do is take a lock, one of your frizzy locks, and you begin to roll it in the palm of your hand. You want to take it from the palm of your hand and roll it all the way up to your fingertips, repeating the steps over and over and over again, and you will see the magic of how the hair in the lock just combined together. It just rolled together. I don't know what type of sorcery this is, but baby, I'm here for it. And if I'm going too fast, you guys know that I do have a slow motion portion so you guys can really see how I'm doing this. But look at this. Where the frizz at? Like, all you have to do is take the lock in the palm of your hand and really roll it all the way up to your fingertips, and just keep repeating that over and over and over again. Finishing up with Dr. Locs Imani Locking Spray. This spray gives your freshly retwist locks the hold it needs without drying or buildup. It has chamomile tea, so it's perfect for rehydrating and grooming locks, and it's alcohol free. So I feel 100% comfortable using this on my children's locks. But look at those gorgeous locks. Now the line also came with a pre-cleanser and a Yasmin shampoo that I didn't have a chance to use in today's tutorial. But the products that I did use, I am loving. I will definitely recommend Dr. Locs. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please remember to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're interested in more product reviews, lock tutorials, or anything, just give me a big thumbs up. But until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube, watch another crazy video of mine. Bye-bye.